In this video, I am going to show you how to make a logo in Wix Logo Maker. So let's see how we can do it. So to open Wix Logo Maker, go to google.com and search for Wix Logo Maker. Click on this first link and it will take you to Wix Logo Maker. So from here we are going to click on Get My Logo. Here we have two options, create a logo yourself or hire a professional designer. But we are going to select create a logo yourself and then click on create a logo. I am already logged into my account. If you do not have an account on Wix, then you can easily create it using your email, Google account or Facebook account. Now we need to enter our business type here and then click on next. After that we will select our style. Click next. Now here we need to add our business name and then click on next. And now we need to add our tagline, and for the tagline you can also get AI suggestions. So I will select this tagline and then click on done, and these are the logos that Wix has created for us. Now let's check out the logos and find out which one is best. So we are going to select our logo and then from the top we are going to click on customize our logo. Now you can customize each and every bit of this logo according to your own choice. Like you can do different settings for this vector. You can change the font of this text. Also you can add a lot of more symbols to your page, or if you want to add your own images, just select images from here and you can upload images from your computer and add them here. If you want to add any other text, just click on text and then you can add text to your logo. After doing all the settings for your logo, then from the top just click on next. Now if you also need a website, then you can select this option, get my logo plus this website. But if you do not need any website, then just select I just need a logo. Now if you want to download this logo, then you will have to purchase any subscription from here. If you want to only download PNG of your logo, then you can select this offer. But if you want to download all the files for your logo, then you can select this package. I will not recommend you to use this Wix Logo Maker because you can create this same logo in Canva free package. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.